Hi.
Hi.
We're like
on a hike.
we're like trail walking. This
Yeah.
is as much as I will hike, really.
I
Well,
consider this a hike.
yeah.
There's some hills, and when you're walking on dirt,
Guess what's here?
but it was
There
just
are
a
whales.
boat.
No, there's whales here. We saw dolphins. It's beautiful. I am a cat. Shoot, are you okay? Don't get injured because the 31-day challenge is here.
Yes, 31 days together, and we're very, very excited because it's that time of year, you know, like when summer's passed and everyone's back from like summer plans and vacation.
Yeah.
And you're back at work, or you or your kids are back to school.
It's like schedule. It's time to get back to a schedule.
Yeah, so we are here.
We're here. We're
to
here
help
for this.
you stay fit
Yeah.
and healthy and have a ton of fun through the fall.
Make sure you sign up for the 31-day challenge. It's just on tonerup.com. We'll put the link below. And we want to hear, we're going to be chatting with you, so just comment. What is your goal for the 31-day challenge? So I think for me is just to, what is my goal?
Stick to it for 31 days.
Yeah. You know, we made it very easy for you. It's just, we put out workouts and then a nutrition plan. So I feel like I just want to stick to the workouts and
Stick to the nutrition plan.
yeah, and
Let's
meal
say,
prep.
Like, you can do anything for 31 days, and
Yeah.
it takes 30 days to make a new, like, what's not goal.
Well, it takes
like,
21 days to form a habit.
That's what I'm like,
So
31
by
days,
31 days, it'll
You
just
are-
be,
you are in
it'll
it.
be there. Yeah, you'll have it down. What's your goal?
Same, stick to it for 31, because traveled a lot this summer,
Mm-hmm.
and so getting back in the swing of things would be really fun.
I love that. All right, love you girls. We can't wait to hear your goals.
Yes, so again, like Kat said, make sure you sign up because we're actually sending you our top 3 tips
Oh yeah,
as
yes.
soon as you sign up
Yeah.
on how to be successful with the 31-day challenge.
And these 3 tips that we're gonna share with you as soon as you sign up have helped me so much because I feel like life just gets busier and you only have so much time, and we wanna make sure that we make it easy for you and you don't have to try to figure out what workout you're gonna do or what meals you're gonna make. We give you everything that you need to know and let us do the work so that way you can just keep being you.
Yeah, so sign up and make sure you check in with us with hashtag TIU31.
See you girls on Instagram. Bye. Bye.